going, everybody? Welcome to the final episode of Ratchet and Clank Future Quest for Booty. I literally started this yesterday and I'm already ending it. So, and it's Halloween when I'm recording. Let's just get to it. Sorry, my stomach hurts. Oh, we can easily just walk off the edge, but... So now we have the Alpha Disruptor, level 5. Woo! I swear, if it starts to the boss right away, that'd be cray-cray. Oh my gosh.
Now be careful there, partner. Pirates ain't known for fighting fair. You know what I mean?
He said say it, not me. Oh my gosh, boss already.
Welcome aboard, me hearty. Ye come in a fair breeze. I was just about to gut your dear Sally like a Marquesian trout.
This is your last chance, Slag. Just hand over Talon and the Star.
'Tis a fool who thinks he can reason with a man whose head he once took. He might be wanting to return the favor. Ready the locker, Davy. Slag's got one more for ya. I've been waiting for this day.
Even though I already killed you once before. Yeah. Alright. Oh my. Oh my. Excuse me? I'll die long as what you want. Kid. Really? Dodge it. You freaking dodge. He dodged it. What can I say? Dodge. I wanted to get this to level 5, so let's just get it to level 5, shall we? The more weapons, the better, am I right?
Yes, I'm fine. Need to find something that can reach the field. Something marked by death.
Oh.
Try a pirate skull. Hurry!
Okay. Woo! Hello!
I saw Slag get the Star in rusty condition.
Ooh, there's quite a few ships to go to. I bet the final boss is on that big one right there. Yeah. Bum ba bada bum bada bum ba bada bum bada bum bum bada dum bada bum 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 bada bum bada bum. Oh, see ya. Bada bum bum bada bum. Woo! Wow, thanks, Tallwin, you stupid hoe. Okay. I wonder what the maximum health is. It's probably 20, but... Yeah!
You know, there's a spot of irony in all this madness. For once, it's you who's trying to steal from me. After all, it ain't your fulcrum star. It's mine.
That's very true, actually. That's kind of surprising. It is not ours to take. It is his. And it's actually Darkwater's, not Slag's. Woo! Bum 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 bum, level 5. Nano swarmers. I think this is the last thing we need to get to level 5. 3. Yep, level 4. This gun sucks. It really does. Oh my lord. Hey, isn't this his main ship or something like that? Oh my. I was about to say, let me aboard first. Really? Really, Talon? Really? Thanks. Wow. Alright, let's fight some more pirates. Maybe try to get this to level 5 real quick. Quickity bippity. Hey, it's the second time we're fighting one of these. Right? Second time, right? I've been counting. Woo! Damn, we powerful. Nano swarmers, that's cool. They react to which weapon it is. That's so sick. Woo! Spinning things. What? This reminds me of Kingdom Hearts. I mean, the crap, what's it called? What's it called? The one level. Dang it. The level, the Peter Pan level, Neverland. It reminds me of that. Alright, take him out. Woo! Hey. Oh, come on. Alright, this has got to upgrade. I mean, come on. Woo! Breaking a sweat here. Come on, how is this thing not upgrading? I mean... Oh, it took out that guy. That was fast. Alright, let's jump across. Woo! Oh my gosh, we got more fighting. My nano swarmers. My nano swarmers can't handle this. My nano swarmers can't handle this. Have fun, boys. No, don't hit me off the edge. Okay, I'll like to die now. Just because I want to upgrade my nano swarmers all the way to level 5. I mean, come on. Who doesn't? What? That was too short. Skip sauce. Oh. That was way too short. In my hand. Let's wait till this one dies out and then we'll throw another one. It dies out fast. It's not killing a single one of them. Wow, it didn't kill a single one of them. Like, sheesh my leash. Totes my goats, something in my throats. I don't know. Oh! Oh, it killed all of them. Alright, we'll just keep doing that. Because we got plenty of time to just upgrade these nanoswarmers. What? I didn't kill all of them that time. Totes my goats. Floats. Okay. Okay, nanoswarmers. Do your deed. These things really suck. I'm not even gonna lie. Alright. Come on, nanoswarmers. I want to get all of my guns to level 5. Hey. Screw this. You know, this is taking too long. I'm sorry, nanoswarmers. I tried my best. Oh gosh. I died anyways, so... There you go. Woo. Alright. Alright. Hello, guys. Welcome to the party. Oh, are you okay? Just kidding, I don't care. Oh, Rusty Pete. Oh, Rusty.
Slag. Give me.
My little dirty.
Alright. Hey, we can still upgrade our nanoswarmers, actually. Because those guys come out, don't they?
I think it's time to show the crew. Lads!
Okay. I'm gonna wait till he throws out more crew members, because I just want to upgrade my gun. Woo! Come on, nanoswarmers. Oh my gosh, you know what? I'll just take this guy out. What? I just threw a thing at you. Ah, vanilla wafers! Yeah, vanilla wafers. I don't know why I'm saying that. Ah! No! Alright, nanoswarmers time. Come on, nanoswarmers. I could see the end of the light. The end of the tunnel. End of the tunnel, swarmy babies. Swarmy babies. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Rise beyond their hearties!
come on. This gun is too, like, bad. It's too bad. It needs to, like, upgrade. Like, it's ain't upgrading like the other ones were. Oh my. Oh my. I kind of want to die. Woo! Oh my. Oh my lord. Oh, I didn't even see that coming. I was literally about to say, screw it, you know, whatever. And then he freaking did that one thing. Oh, geez. Oh, my lord. Alright. Potty time. I want fusion bombs. Who the heck uses fusion bombs? No. Oh geez. What? I didn't know I had full ammo on this thing. Come on, it's at the bar. I mean, like, seriously? No, this sucks. Shut up. The Zoni? What about the Zoni? Yo, mama's a Zoni. Oh, dang. Oh, Mr. Romulus. Or what's his name? Thomas? Romulus? Bobby? Bobby. Wait a minute. Ugh. Two nanoswarms. There you go, me hearties. Oh geesh, oh geesh, oh geesh, oh geesh. Woo! Dodging things like a dodging things. Dang. It was a tornado launcher thing, really? Who the heck uses that on a boss? But, whatever. Ugh. No, no, it won't. Shut up. I'll shake your hand. I am determined to upgrade these things. Like, come on. Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on, it's like right there. It's like eating away at the end. I don't want to do that. Really? It's not even... Like, seriously, I mean, come on, now it's kind of just like, that wouldn't happen. R1, 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 R1. Oh my. These nano swarmers are taking up my time, man. Why is Rusty Pete just standing there? Like, seriously, he's just like, alright. No. No. Come on, game. What? I'm not out of an animal. What? Oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Send your stupid crew out. Like, oh my gosh. Your crew is gonna love nano swarmers. So that's all they're getting until it reaches level 5. Come on, it's eating away at the freaking bar. Ugh. Send out your stupid crew. You're not even freaking hitting him, Talwin. Stop. Ugh. Come on. Ugh. It has to upgrade here. If it doesn't upgrade here, I quit the game. I got him! I got his little stinky booty hole! No, geesh. You're a ghost. Shouldn't you be cutting your ship in half, too? Like, seriously. Seriously. Oh, the things are getting cut off. I don't want to meet your stupid crew. Your crew sucks chicken nuts. Is it upgraded yet? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright. That's it. Game over. What? Oh my gosh. Oh, we got a skull head right here. Oh no. Ah. Come and get me, sucker. Scourge of the Galaxy. Let's end it off with a trusty combustor.
The Falcon Star is mine! We've got it! We'll put you down! Oh, shut up, you miserable rat! For I chain ye to the keel! By me deathless soul, this be my body!
I'll save ya, Captain! And so, after several lucky shots and a few cheat codes, the Lumbax destroyed the union between Captain Slag and Darkwater.
Aye, and good riddance. Going to the bathroom's far too awkward.
The Lumbax returned to Hulifar to claim his boaty, the location of his missing first mate.
Let's hope this works.
chosen one spoke.
If x is the coefficient of a squared minus the improbability of the hypotenuse at absolute zero, the Bogon index of the denominator must be equal or lesser to the number of bees in your bonnet.
Don't worry, sire. The doctor will be able to repair you. He is here.
Signal lost. Coordinates acquired for Brigus Nebula.
Various. Hang on, Clank. I'm coming. With the location of his missing mate in hand, our hero took off into space. Little did he know, the greatest challenge he would ever face lay just ahead. The end. Want to hear it again?
I didn't want to hear it the first time, you mangy old bucket of balls.
All right. No need to get cross.
I'll quit yelling when you find me a new body. Now start rowing. Row, row, row.
Oh, let me guess. Roll?
Shut up! Row, 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 row. Put your back into it. Row, 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 row.
What was that? Like 6 episodes? Well, anyway, everybody, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode or this series. Very short, very short. The quest continues. Fall 2009. All right, so yeah, this was a pretty short series. It wasn't lucky or unlucky, but nothing really much to say. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like, favorite, and subscribe for more. This has been Ratchet and Clank Future Quest for Booty, and I'm out. Peace.